Close your eyes for a moment and notice the breath moving through you. Imagine a line of light descending from above your head, pouring through your spine and anchoring into the ground beneath you. With each breath, this line strengthens. Now, bring to mind a recent situation where you reacted quickly, maybe with frustration, maybe with defensiveness. See the moment as though on a movie screen. Notice the trigger, the spark. Instead of letting the movie play fast, slow it down, frame by frame. At the moment just before the reaction, see yourself stepping back. Place a glass between you and the event. This is the pause. Behind the glass, you are untouchable. You can see, you can observe, but nothing strikes you. Whisper inwardly, I choose clarity, and feel the surge in your body soften, as though the nervous system exhales. The sympathetic branch quiets. The parasympathetic system begins to reassert itself. A sense of balance trickles through your chest and your breath deepens. The movie continues to play on the other side of the glass, but you are no longer compelled to jump into it. Stay here for a few breaths, imprinting the felt sense of pause. Anchor it into your body with a gesture, perhaps pressing your thumb and forefinger together gently. This becomes a signal to your subconscious. When I do this, I enter clarity. Now, release the scene. Let the glass dissolve. Keep only the anchor and the words. I choose clarity. When you open your eyes, notice how the space feels wider. What you've just experienced is not visualization, it is neurological installation. And each time you practice, you are recoding the pathways of your limbic system. You are teaching your subconscious that urgency is optional and clarity is available. In traditional Chinese medicine, the liver is said to hold anger and quick reaction. When qi flows freely through the liver meridian, patience and vision emerge. In the same way, when we clear the reactive charge in the nervous system, foresight opens. Neutrality is not passivity. It is the highest leverage state you can carry. From neutrality, you're not a victim of your biology, nor a prisoner of someone else's behavior. You are the witness and the chooser. And this is where we begin mastery.